take a look underneath your glove box. You're going to have two clips that look like this. Go ahead and remove those. Once you've removed those, just go ahead and pull this layer down. Look back here. This is where the air filter is located. So you're gonna slide this cover off. Pull out the old air filter. Now in this car, this filter is not so bad. If yours hasn't been replaced in your car before, it's probably responsible for a lot of the odor in your vehicle. New air filter goes in the same way. For the cover, you want to guide these, guide it right into the openings on the air filter, and just go ahead and push to the left. It snaps in place just like that, and you're all done. We'll go ahead and put this layer back together. Don't forget your two clips. Just go ahead and twist them back to hold this cover in place.